Alright guys, so one of the first things that I want to show you with the CRV is the ability to set the height of your tailgate when you open up that rear hatch. This is important for a number of reasons. Maybe you're parking in an area that has a low ceiling, or maybe you live in the city where you got to park in an underground garage and your vehicle is backed right up against that concrete wall with that really rough surface. You got groceries in the back. So let's pretend I'm that concrete wall, you're inside, you got that all backed up, you're about to press that button on the tailgate, that tailgate opens up, and all of a sudden, you just scratched the back of your vehicle because you're parked too close to the wall. But there's a way that you can solve this. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to avoid that problem. As you can see, this tailgate sits nice and high, nice wide opening. That's great. Ease of access makes it really easy to load things in. But what if your garage is just a little bit lower than that? What if you got to park really close to the back there? Well, you can adjust the height of the tailgate manually. Hold the button. You'll hear two beeps. Watch this. It stops right where I programmed it to. Now I understand this is going to make it a little more awkward to come in here and grab your things out, but it's a lot better than dinging and scratching your door up on the back of a rough surface. But this will give you the ability to open your hatch basically anywhere and still retrieve your items whenever you need them. So say you want to set that tailgate back up to its original height. You just lift, hold the button again, wait for that double beep, and then it's set. Now I kind of want to show you the hands-free system too as well and how to properly operate that. So just a small kick right underneath the middle there, and look at that, it opens back up automatically and right back up to the level that I set it at again. And again, it goes both ways. If your hands are full when you're taking things out of the vehicle, you can just come over, a simple kick, and it'll close for you. Now just remember, it's just a simple kick in and out. So once again, it's just a simple little soccer kick, okay? No waving. You don't want to wave your foot left and right. The vehicle won't detect that. And also, if you have a hitch installed on the vehicle, you'll have to kick a little farther over to the right-hand side. But as you can see, even without the hitch, it's got a nice, good, wide range. So if you're on the left side, right side, the only thing that's going to limit it really is if you have a hitch installed there. Now these next little bits are pretty basic, but might come in handy. You can stop the hatch from opening at any time just by pressing the button right underneath here again, or if you press the button here as it's opening. So this is another way of stopping the hatch. I like to stop it this way a little better instead of trying to force the motors with your hand. You can just tap the button to stop it from opening, and then you can hold it to set that height if you feel like that's the height that you want it at. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Hope you learned something new and you can get the most out of your CRV. Join me next time when we take a look at how to fold down some of these seats and get the most out of your space.